Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to this new AI power tool called as Instanize. Instanize enables you to upload an image and then it adds various effects to that image. Let's see this in action. First let me upload an image. I'm just going to upload my own image from my local system and then we will play around with it. So let me quickly upload one of my images here. I'm just looking for an image which will be similar to what we have in the bottom. Now if you look in the bottom, you can select from different styles and aesthetics, such as for example you can go with analog, vintage, after hours. Let me go with the after hours. So you have clicked on it, and on the top right you can see that I have 5 credits available, and in the middle it is instanizing. So let's wait for it to finish instanizing, and then there are various other styles. Now while it is doing this instanizing, adding effects like this vintage or gothic or after hours to an image using AI involves a series of complex computational processes that can transform the aesthetics and mood of an image. One common approach is through a technique known as style transfer. AI models, particularly those based on neural networks, can analyze the stylistic elements of a targeted style, like gothic or vintage, or in our case, after hours. So you can see that how interesting this one is. Now, this process involves understanding and duplicating patterns, textures, color schemes, and other artistic element characteristic of the desired style. So this one is quite interesting, and now you have 4 credits available. Let me let me maybe upload another image, and I could use the same, but anyway let me do it another one. I will go with, okay, I'm just going to upload. I'm not sure if it will work. I think let me upload another. Not, this is a bit smaller. I'll just go with the previous image and I will go with I want the gothic look. So the AI can adjust specific feature of the image to match the desired style. For a vintage effect, it might alter the color palette to warmer tones, add grain or noise to simulate older camera effects, or even adjust the contrast and brightness to mimic the look of photos taken with film cameras. There you go. So that, how cool is that? I mean, for a gothic effect, it might have emphasized darker tones, adjusting lighting to create a moodier atmosphere, or add textures that are reminiscent of gothic architecture or art. How cool is that? Now maybe I'll just select the grunge one. Now this process often relies on deep learning models like convolutional neural networks or CNNs, or generative adversarial network like GAN. CNNs are particularly good at recognizing and manipulating patterns in images, while GANs can generate high quality images by learning from a data set of images in the target style. GANs consist of 2 parts: a generator that creates images and discriminator that evaluates them. The 2 parts work in opposition to each other, which helps in refining the output to closely match the desired style. I'm not sure what exactly they are using behind the scene, but looks good. And it has even changed, the my face cuts a little, but it still is my image. And look at how cool this looks. Now can I do with maybe, what would you like? I don't think so I can scroll. For some reason it's not letting me scroll on the right, so I don't know what exactly is on the right. Maybe what is this? Steampunk. Let's go with steampunk. Now after the initial style transfer or feature adjustment, the AI might perform additional fine tuning and post processing to ensure the final image closely aligns with the desired effect. This can include adjusting saturation, applying filters, or even manually tweaking certain areas of the image to better capture the essence of the style. Some systems even allow for user input to guide the transformation process. User can often adjust the intensity of the effect, select specific elements to emphasize or downplay, and make other modifications to achieve the desired outcome. So you can see how easy it is to style your image. Let me click on VHS. Now I'm not sure what exactly technology they are using behind the scene, but it could be any one of the various ones like I described, the CNNs and GANs. There are few others too like VAE. VAE stands for Variational Autoencoder, and they are another type of generative model used for image editing. They are excellent at learning deep representation of data. And then we have diffusion models including DALL-E, Imagen by Google, Stable Diffusion, representing the cutting edge in generating and editing images based on textual description. Then we have CLIP, which is contrastive language image pre-training, and that has been developed by OpenAI, by the way. Then we have VIT, which is Vision Transformer, and this is sort of a derivative of LLM, which applies the transformer architecture to image recognition tasks. And then we have various multimodal models, and these models are designed to understand and generate content across different modalities like text, images. Models like DALL-E 2, which is a successor to DALL-E, and Google's Imagen are example of multimodal models. And just yesterday I covered Claude 3, which is again a multimodal model and really awesome model, which also does text and images. Now these images, models, frameworks and tools like this Instanize, they represent the forefront of AI driven image editing and generation, because this is going to be mainstream, and I think it already is, but lot things will be coming out of this. So AI driven image editing tools use these processes to offer users the ability to transform their images into various styles easily. This technology is available in various forms, from smartphone apps to professional grade software, making it accessible to both casual users and professional artists or photographers. Now, as you can see, my credit is done, and this is the pricing of it. You can get 50 credits for $19, which is one time payment, and it lets you generate 50 photos. So 1 credit, 1 photo. Then we have 10 credits for just $9 and 150 credits for $29. So which is not bad if your sort of role involves generating these images on regular basis. That's it, guys. I will drop the link to this website in video's description. You can play around and then you can share your thoughts in the comments. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.